What is full stack, and why do we use it? Have you ever heard the term full stack and wondered what it means? Is it a skill set, a job title, or a magic formula for building entire applications? Today, we're decoding the buzz around full stack development, what it is, what it includes, and where it's used in the real world. Let's dive in. Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will break down the concept of full stack development. If you're curious about what being a full stack developer means and how it applies to real-world projects, stick around. This is for you. First things first, what is full stack development? In simple terms, a full stack developer can work on both the front and back end of an application. They handle everything from designing user interfaces to managing databases and servers. Think of it as being a jack of all trades in web development. Instead of focusing on just one part, like how a car mechanic might specialize in engines or interiors, a full-stack developer builds and maintains the whole car. So, what's included in a full stack? It's typically divided into two main parts. Front-end. This is what users see and interact with. It includes technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue.js. Backend. This is the behind-the-scenes logic and database management. It includes languages like Node.js, Python, Ruby, or Java, along with databases like MySQL, MongoDB, or PostgreSQL. And let's not forget the middle ground, APIs and middleware, which connect the front-end and back-end, making sure everything works smoothly together. So, where do you use full-stack development? Honestly, everywhere. Here are a few examples. Startups. Startups often look for full-stack developers who can handle multiple tasks and build complete solutions efficiently. E-commerce platforms. Full-stack developers create both the storefront, front-end, and handle the inventory and payment processing systems, back-end. Social media applications. Think Instagram or LinkedIn. Full-stack devs design interactive user interfaces while managing databases for millions of users. Corporate intranets. Companies use full-stack developers to create internal tools that manage workflows and employee data. Essentially, if it's a web application or a mobile app, chances are full-stack development is involved. So, why become a full-stack developer? Here are 3 reasons. Versatility. You can work on all aspects of a project, making you highly valuable to employers. Efficiency. Understanding the entire stack means you can troubleshoot and streamline workflows easily. Opportunities. With demand for full-stack developers skyrocketing, it's one of the most lucrative roles in tech today. Full-stack development is all about being adaptable, skilled, and ready to tackle any part of the development process. Whether you're building the next big app or helping a business grow, full-stack skills can take you there. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech insights. And drop a comment below. What part of the stack excites you the most?